Selecting the wrong cells in Excel can make you type, copy, or format the wrong area. Here is how to select multiple cells correctly using your mouse and keyboard. First, let's start with one cell. Move your mouse over the cell you want, then click once. Here, I will click cell B3. The border tells you this is the active cell. If you notice, the name box also tells you that the active cell is B3. Anything you type next will go to this cell. To select cells that are next to each other, click the first cell, hold down the left mouse button and drag across the cells you want. When I drag from cell A1 to cell C4, Excel select every cell inside that rectangle. This is useful when you want to format, copy, or clear a block of cells. You can also select a connected range using Shift. Click the first cell first. For example, I click A1. Now, hold Shift and click the last cell in range. For example, I click D5. Excel selects everything between those two cells, which means from A1 to D5. This is helpful when dragging feels awkward or when the range is bigger. To select cells that are not next to each other, use the Ctrl key. Click the first cell, hold Ctrl, then click each extra cell you want to add. Here, A1, C1, and E1 are selected, but the cells between them are not selected. Ctrl also works with separate ranges. Select the first range, for example, A1 to A10. Hold Ctrl, then select the next range, for example, C1 to C10. Just remember to keep Ctrl pressed while adding the next area. If you forget, Excel will replace your first selection. You can also use the keyboard for more control. Click a starting cell first, for example, B2. Hold Shift, then press the arrow key to extend the selection one cell at a time. For example, I want to select from B2 to D2, so I press the right arrow. This is useful when you want a precise selection without dragging too far. If your data is in one connected block, click inside the data and press Ctrl A. You can click anywhere as you want. For example, I click cell A1, then I press Ctrl A. Next, I press cell D9, then I press Ctrl A. Excel usually selects the current data area first. Be careful with this shortcut because it may select more than you expected. One more useful method is the name box. It's on the left side of the formula bar. Click inside the name box. Type a rank like A1 colon C5 and press enter. Excel jumps straight to that rank and selects it for you. Before you type, copy, or format anything, always check the highlight area first. And when selecting separate cells or ranges, keep holding Ctrl until you finish adding all the areas. Quick recap. Drag to select nearby cells. Use Shift to select from one cell to another. Use Ctrl for separate cells or ranges. Use Shift plus arrow keys for keyboard control. And use the name box when you already know the range. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.